Hi, welcome to Maree P. Today I'd like to share with you how to make dal. Quick and easy, great for a midweek meal or a meatless Monday. It's not only vegetarian, I've also made this with the option of being vegan friendly. So our ingredients, we've got a 400 gram tin of green lentils. We've got a tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 stock cube. We've got 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, some 3 long strips of chopped up green onions. Going to add a tablespoonful of maple syrup. We've got some mustard seeds and cumin seeds, teaspoon each of those. We've got 5 spices here. We've got teaspoon of cardamom and cumin and turmeric. We've also got some coriander and garam masala. But if you've only got curry powder on hand, you can use a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of that. I've got some fresh ginger to grate in, 1 clove of garlic. I've got 250 mils of the coconut cream. I've got a bunch of coriander to add at the end. What I love about dal is it not only tastes good, it's really healthy for you. And whatever vegetables you've got in your fridge, if you've got courgette or spinach or fresh tomatoes, just pop that in and you can invent your own way of doing it. So come with me and let's get cooking. I'm just going to add half of the coconut oil to start with. Not sure of the word, but it melts really quickly. There's a technical word, a scientific word. Just add the heat, add a little bit more heat to that. So we don't want to fry these till they're brown, we just want to soften them up a little bit. You can use any type of onion. If you've got white onion, you can add that. So our onions look happy, we're going to add our crushed garlic. If you don't have a crush machine like this, you can just chop it finely, or you can grate it in. I don't really like getting it on my fingers. Just turn that heat down a little bit. Now we're going to add our seeds. We just need to toast them slightly. We're going to add all of our other spices. Everything except the chili flakes. We'll do that later. Might just add a little bit more oil now, just to give it a bit more. So now with the extra oil, we're going to grate in some of our ginger. And we'll crush our veggie stock cube. Add our coconut cream. Add the lentils. I'll just drain those in cold water. We're just going to let that simmer for 10 minutes and then come back. So my timer just went off and it's been 10 minutes, so let's check on our dal. So as you can see here, it's gone a little bit thicker, which is looking good. So just according to your taste, I'm going to add the maple syrup, tablespoon. That's optional if you wanted to not have any sweetness. I like the combination of the sweet and spicy and the zing of the lemon. So I'm just going to add half the lemon juice today, so that's only 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add our chili flakes now. That again also is optional. I'm going to add some of these green tops. And I've chopped up my coriander, so I'm just adding that now. There's 2 teams for coriander, those who love it and those who hate it. So if you love it, add it. If you hate it, leave it out. So we're just going to let that cook those liquids for another few minutes and then it's ready to serve. So I've pre-made some brown rice. So it's just brown basmati rice. So I can serve that with it. I'm just going to reheat that slightly with a little bit of water. So my dal's cooked and ready for a taste test. Creamy, a little bit spicy, tastes delicious. So if you've liked what you've seen today, hit the subscribe button and then I can keep doing more and more videos. If you want the full recipe, check the link below in the description. See you next time. Bye.